Hello everyone, this is Case, and today we're looking at the VideoMicro from Rode. Got this from Amazon, and let's see how it looks like. So this comes with a 2-year warranty. It doesn't require a battery, which is very important. Small size, you can fit in your bag, and has some sort of like a suspension mount included. So this is how it should look like. It has the battery cap included, so yeah, let's take a look. This is packaged very nicely. Look at this. Box is empty. Put it aside. Let's see what we have here. Alright. That's the mic. Let's put that aside for a second. Let's see what else we have. This is the number. That's the suspension. Your cable. Silicone gel. You don't need that. Alright. Let's put those aside for a second. Let's take a look. You can just pull it. Is there a trick to getting it out? Oh, there it is. Alright. So here's that. Here's the mic. It's very small, but it's definitely made in Australia. Interesting. Didn't know that VideoMicro or Rode actually is made in Australia. Alright, let's try to put it together. Ooh, where are you going? Stay. Right? That's it. I don't think it matters which end. They're both same. And then the idea is that you put it like that. And it's supposed like to wiggle, so basically this will help with the noise. So let's see how it looks like on this bad boy. So slide it into the hot shoe like that, and then you just screw it in, and that's it. It's ready to go. And then you basically just plug it in, and you're ready to go. So that's how it looks like without the cap. And then if we want to put this back, if I can figure it out. Here we go. That's how it is. And of course, it's supposed to help with noise cancelling. So yeah, that's how it looks like. This is going to be my mic for when I go outside, try to film something. I'll post another video later on for review. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Till next time.